That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we're going to head out on the road. We're going to help out a stranger with a ride, brighten up his day, and see what's going on. You want to ride along? Follow me.
Hey, bro, you want to ride? I can get you home if you want. It's free. Hop on in. Looks like it's going to start raining here soon enough. Okay. You doing all right? Yeah, right. You can ride in luxury.
Doing good.
What are you working over here at Culver's?
Yeah.
Oh, how's things going over there?
Yeah, it's doing good.
I'll take you wherever you want to go. Just you just point the way, and
just keep going straight.
And off we go. How was the crowd there?
It's pretty busy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your official capacity?
Well, there's a lot of good people there.
No, I mean, what's your job? What do you? Are you the burger guy or
no?
Or the supervisor or owner? It could be anything.
I'm not an owner. I'm not rich enough. I clean the tables and I sometimes serve the food to people. Yeah.
What's the best dish over there, would you say?
Well, they got burgers if you like burgers.
Yeah.
And fresh frozen custard.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan, I'm Zook.
Hey Zook, how are you?
I'm happy, healthy, and terrific. Boy, that guy's zipping around there.
Yeah, well, we got some silly people around this world.
Yeah. Today's the good weather brings out all the characters here that we've been having lately. How long you been over at Culver's?
About almost 3 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You're gonna be able to hit them up for a pension here pretty soon.
Oh, I'm getting some good experience. Yeah.
Oh, right on. Right on. Are we going straight?
Oh, yeah, you keep going straight. Yeah.
How's the management team there? Are they?
Well, they're pretty nice. Yeah.
Are they responsive to the It's not one of those places where the employee suggestion box and the garbage can is the same box, is it?
Well, I don't know about most people, but to me, I applied there. They call me eventually, and they send me up for an interview.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you from Bloomington here originally, or?
No, I was from the South.
What part?
I lived in Mississippi and...
Oh, that's God's country there.
And Alabama. I was born in Alabama.
Oh, what part?
Mobile.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's the land of cotton, huh?
Well, the reason why I was born there because my dad's side of the family, his family was from there. And
what did they do? Were they farmers or?
Well, I don't know much about them, but my dad, he used to own a restaurant.
Oh, well, you come from a long line of restaurateurs then, huh?
Yeah. Well, his business didn't go so well. Yeah. And then eventually, around 2010, we moved here. That's my mom's decision because her family is from Indiana.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're half Hoosier, half Crimson Tide there?
Yeah, you can say that. You keep going straight.
Down Adams here?
Yeah.
Or this way?
Adams. Yeah.
Well, so what do you like better, Indiana or Alabama?
Well, I do like the palm trees, and I do like the good.
They have palm trees in Alabama?
Yeah, southern Alabama, Mobile and Gulfport.
Oh.
Gulf Shores, I think. Wherever you're in Alabama, you should go to Gulf Shores or maybe Mobile because they got some ships there. Fancy histories about ships.
Are you a history buff?
No, I just know about it.
Oh, well, you do. Well, I think you might be a history buff and don't even know it.
Probably. Yeah, well, maybe one day you can stop by Culver's and get something to eat.
Yeah, you know what? I don't believe I've been into the restaurant before.
Well, you should go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
What do they have besides burgers? Is it like fish sandwiches?
They got fish sandwich. as of right now, they got a limited time for walleye sandwich.
Walleye, ooh.
Yeah, I do like their walleye.
Do they catch the walleye right here in Lake Monroe?
No, they ship it from Canada and Minnesota.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, and also they also got chicken sandwich. They got shrimps. They got pork tenderloin and stuff like that.
Do they have some kind of specialty sauce, or what's going on
They
with
got
that?
Culver's signature. They got Boom Boom sauce.
Do you know what they put in it? I mean, if it's a trade secret, don't tell me. I don't want to.
I actually don't know. I don't. Oh, you turn left. Well, they got some ingredients. I just didn't look at it. You turn right.
Is this Pigeon Hill?
I don't live on Pigeon Hill.
Yeah, I've always heard there's a place called Pigeon Hill around here, but I'm not exactly sure where that might be.
You must be new around here.
Well, I'm from Hobart, Indiana, up north.
Oh.
I'm a northerner. We're kind of, even though we're like.
It must be a farmland. You turn right.
We're like Yankees up there.
Oh, Yankees. You're like Yankees from New York.
Well, not that kind of Yankee, because we're Cubs fans.
Oh, Cubs fans.
Yeah.
I know about Cubs. I always want to go to the Cubs games Cubs games and the Cardinals.
Oh, you know, I have a friend who's a Cardinals fan.
I got a friend who's a Cardinals fan too.
My friend who's a Cardinals fan, he's not real bright. I hope you're.
You turn left.
Turn left here. All right. Well, how are the neighbors here? Does things get rowdy around here? Do you hear?
Some are, some aren't.
Is there?
I got next door's neighbors are pretty nice. You turn left. Yeah, you can't turn straight. It's a no enter.
Now, who's this guy with the dog? Do you know him?
No.
So, like on Friday nights, do things get rowdy around here? Do people start blasting music? And
they usually. I got neighbors that blast their music.
what do they get ready to start drinking beer and hooting and hollering?
There's one time they got crazy things. There's one time they start shooting at people.
Oh, that's no good.
No.
I mean, like real guns or like?
They're real guns, sadly. All right, you stop right here.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, I'll come into Culver's and say hi to you sometime.
Okay. Well.
All right. You got to reach outside. The handle's broke.
Oh, okay.
It's in back behind you there. It's a Korean car.
Okay.
But I ordered a new door handle from Hyundai.
Okay.
It's going to be in, and I'm going to get it fixed. So.
Yeah, well, it's your car. You can do what you want with it.
Well, God bless your heart, Jonathan. Yeah. Okay. You have a great evening, and look for me out on the street. If you see me, give me a wave.
All right. Well, I'm not good with faces, so you just have to wave at me. I'll just wave back.
Okay. Well, if you think it's me, holler. It's probably me.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds good. I'll see you later.
All right. I'll see you, buddy. Adios. Well, you see, look at there. There's Jonathan. He's working hard. He's worked for 3 years there at Culver. It looks like, I'm not sure where exactly I'm dropping him off here, but he's got somewhere to go. So, hey, there's a guy. If you think about it, he's got the world by the tail. Ding, ding.